Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's awesome Jurassic World Rebirth movie, I'll be showing you how to draw the giant T-Rex versus the D-Rex. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the D-Rex versus the T-Rex from Jurassic World Rebirth, let's begin with the D-Rex over here. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to go down and up to start the eye. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down and up for the actual eye. I'll make a couple little lines right around here. And then we'll make a little line that's just going to kind of go up and down there. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down and then back, kind of show where the front of the mouth is. And then I'm just going to make some kind of wavy lines. They're just going to kind of go up and then down. I want to make some little lines that kind of come back. And then we'll do a little dot here and a little line there for the nose. Next, I'm going to make lines just going to kind of come up and then around to here. And then I'm going to make lines just going to kind of curve down and then back down to here. Bring this line back a little bit. I'm going to bring this line over and in and then kind of around here for the jaw. Make a couple lines down and some little lines down there for the back of the mouth. Next, I'm going to put some kind of sharp little different sized teeth kind of spaced out in different places here. And then we'll just kind of curve a line up and then down for the tongue. We'll make a line over here on the side, just to kind of show where the other side of the mouth is. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a broken line that's going to come across, and then another one here. Then we'll add a couple little lines kind of coming up and down the mouth of our D-Rex. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some kind of long, just curvy lines to kind of shape out where the neck is going to be. Then I'm going to make a long line that's just going to kind of come up and then back down to here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of come down and in, and then another one to kind of shape out the chest. Now for those small front arms, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down. Then I'm going to come out, and we're going to bring it up and down to a point. And we'll make another one kind of come up and down to a point. We'll bring this over and then up here. Now for the big arm, I'm just going to kind of curve a line that's going to come really close to here. I'm going to make it kind of run down. And then I'm going to make this line come down to here. I'm going to make this come down and over, and then another one down and over here. We'll bring this up to a point and down. We'll add a little curve and a curve here. We'll also add another claw here. I'm going to bring this line back up here and in. And then I'm going to curve this around here. We'll make a couple little lines here. Next, I'm going to bring this line back here. Then I'm going to make this line come down and then in. Then we're going to come down at an angle for that back leg. I want to make a little line that comes out to here. I'm going to make one that comes down to a point and up, and then one that's going to come back here and then up. I'm going to make this come up and in, and then just kind of curve this right up here. Now I want to bring this line down just a little bit. And then I'm going to make this line kind of curve out, and we're going to come out to here for the tail, and we'll bring it back. We'll come down here, and then we'll just kind of bring this line into here, and we'll just kind of curve this up. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come up. I want to make a line that's going to kind of curve down for a claw. Now I'm going to make another one that's going to come up here for a claw. And then one that's going to kind of come down here and back. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in. And I'm going to bring this line down and then over to here, and we'll kind of connect it here. Now for that other leg, I'm going to bring this line down, and we'll kind of come right to here. We'll make a little claw that comes out here, and then one more here. And we'll kind of bring this line over and then up. Then I'm just going to real quick add some little curves onto all these claws here. I'll do that here and here. And then we'll also add some on here. And you can even put some of those extra little lines on there too. I want to make this line kind of come down and out. And we're going to put a curve on here. We'll make a little line, and we'll put another curve here. And then we'll kind of bring this up. Now, starting here for the T-Rex, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down and up for the eye. And we'll kind of shape it out here. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy line. It's just going to go up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line out, and then we're just going to kind of go up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line over, and then up, and then down here. We're going to curve this line down at an angle for that bottom, and kind of bring it back. I'm going to bring this down and then up here, and then we're just going to kind of go out and then curve it around for the jaw. We'll make another little bump here for the other part of the eye. Make a little curved line with some lines. And then for the mouth, we're just going to fill this up with like sharp pointed teeth, and then we'll put some more sharp pointed teeth down here. We'll make a line that's going to curve up and down for the tongue. And then we'll bring this line here and that line here for the other side of the mouth. Next, starting here, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines. And I'm going to bring this line over here. Then I'm going to kind of bring this line down for the head. I want to make a little curved line here for the nose. And then I'm going to put these kind of like little broken shapes in here to make it look like there's some indentations. And put a couple little lines right around the eye of our T-Rex. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line over. I want to make a line that's going to come down. We're We're going to go down here and we're going to make 2 little sharp claws. We're going to bring this up, we're going to come over and then kind of shape it out to there. I'll make another one that's just going to come out and down here. And then we'll put our 2 sharp claws on there. We're going to bring this up and in here. Next, I'm going to kind of curve this line around and bring it in. And then I'm going to curve this line down and then in. And I'm going to bring this out for a claw and bring it back. Then I'm going to make another one that just kind of comes down and around. And then one more that's going to come out, and then we're going to bring it up and in. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and in here for the leg. I'm going to bring this line up. Next, starting here, I'm going to make this line kind of curve up and around for the tail. And then I'm going to bring this down. And we're going to curve it to about here. Next, I want to make a couple little lines, and then I'm just going to make a broken line that's going to kind of come down here towards the tail. We'll leave a little space and bring this line down. I'll make a little line that's going to kind of curve out, just show where that other leg's going to be. I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to just curve it out for a claw. We'll make another one here, and we'll put one right behind there. I'm going to bring this up and over to here. Then we can just kind of come in here and add some little details on the claws and everything. I even like to add some of those extra little lines on there. Then while we're working on the T-Rex, let's just kind of come in here and add some of the different details. So let's kind of make some little broken lines right around the mouth here. We'll do it along the bottom as well. Make a couple little curved lines here. And then a couple little lines kind of by the jaw. We're going to make some little broken lines kind of shape out where like the ribs would be. And then add a couple little extra lines by the arms. A couple little broken lines right along here for some detail. And a little bit more down the back. We'll kind of make some curved lines kind of where the knee would be. And bring some little extra lines kind of coming up and across here. Some little curved lines here. And some little lines right around there. We're going to make some little broken lines right across the tail. And kind of along the body too. Now over here on our D-Rex, just to add some of the quick little details on here, we're going to add just some little lines right around the mouth here. We'll add these claws on here that I forgot, and then we can add some extra little lines. A few little lines right around the arm. And then we're just going to make some kind of broken lines kind of coming across here in some different spots. Make some little wrinkle lines here, and then some curved lines here. Make some little lines kind of going down the tail. And even some on the arms too. I want to make some more kind of longer lines where the neck would be. And a couple little lines by the head. And then let's add some long lines kind of coming down the arm here. And even some lines on the fingers. And there you go. There is your drawing of the D-Rex versus the T-Rex in a big battle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.